Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix YouTube lagging PC. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Chrome. Then from here you need to go to the three dots on the top right side. Then go to the settings. After going to the settings, all you need to do is to go to the system option, and from here you probably see this as use hardware acceleration when available. So you need to, if you are facing the lagging issue, you just simply first of all go with this, just turn it on and relaunch. Okay, just relaunch the application. Again, try to launch the YouTube and search for the YouTube and retry it. Okay, retry to open a video. From here you can simply go with the any of this. If this doesn't work for you, what you can do is simply go to the YouTube. Then from here you will see three dots, and then you need to go to the extension and then manage extension. You're probably using the ad blocker. Okay, so that is the reason why you are getting this issue, I think so. So you probably need to disable the ad blocker if you want to just ensure this that the YouTube is lagging. The main problem could be the ad blocker, because recently YouTube just updated his version, and now YouTube doesn't allow the ad blockers. No one doesn't allow the ad blocker. Okay, so if you are using the ad blocker, you probably seen some of the lags right now on the YouTube. So what you can do is simply go and buy YouTube Premium, which is very low in cost. Like I'm using our YouTube Premium, so let's just go into my site. So as you can see, I'm using currently using a YouTube Premium, which cost me like $2. So $2 a month doesn't think that much for you, so you can just pay and enjoy for it. Like if you have family, you can simply just go with the family package, which may cost you like $1 per person, so you can simply use that as well. So rather than that, if you're facing issues, I have solved you how you can solve this issue by disabling the ad blocker. So if you just remove this ad blocker, now you will get no issue of lagging into YouTube. So this is not my fault. Again, I'm saying this is not my fault. YouTube just updated its facility for the YouTubers, so it's not my fault. You're just getting issue with the ad blocker, that should I said. And this is how you can simply fix the issue of lagging of in PC. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.